Basically, you just push it down and it comes right out. As you see, I was pretty much pushing this one and was trying to get that one to go down as well, and I wiggled it a little bit and it came right out. This is the console, 64 Impala SS console lock. Now I have my mount. The new one will be in today. I'll let y'all know how it goes. New lock cylinder with the key. I didn't have a key for this one. Excuse my hands and all, I just got off work. I've been anxious to trying to get this thing done. But as you see, I guess these things have some type of number on it for the locksmith. You can see it. I'll let y'all know what my other ones say when I get it, if it's the same number or if they're different. Alright guys, that's it. I didn't have to buy a new one. Well, at least not a whole, I guess, mount. I did buy a new cylinder.